governance. I therefore welcome the pledge by the traditional authorities, opinion leaders, and stakeholders to maintain this facility. On behalf of government and the Ministry of Health, I congratulate the good people of Skoko and the entire Karachi East municipality. I thank the Lordina Foundation and our traditional leaders and the Municipal Assembly, the Ghana Health Service, and all partners for making this possible. Mananom, answer na mede mikasa no ebeba wiye no. Mamenka se yema me Lordina se ne nyina enim no. Ahohiehia mu o, anije mu o, ochire odo echire obia. Owo opposition o, owo aban mu o, na osisi ayaresabia emanaje nkwa ewo man mu. Ajapade a yede abesi ha yi, eyamo amajapade, ye mepagya nko ba bia, nti ebesra mo sam behwe so yie. Nananom any opinion leaders amo ha, mamon tran ba bi nkasa de ekoso ha no mfa ho. Mun develop interest ewo de ekoso ewo ha nemu. Aban ebekoso ayana famu de bia. Oti ha yapomudi nsem enye. Enunti na no me ba region mu. Mene regional minister any DCs ne MPs nyina be shiai. Ya yese awasi ahwehwem ne yepe epomasibre na oti district hospitals awo ha nyina no potokasam yesi enye comprehensive auditing na bibia wose yede ka ho ne sini na so bia no yemfa nka ho ne sini na so nananom how ba ko aye ono man mu ha ne se ubedu baabi no sa wodi obi a oye doctor ana nurse ni eko baabi ewo man mu a aya na omo hwehwe omo na ese kakra jina nsensem beti a aya ade a bitu hu ana mon yi 2024 a doctor for nyina ye posto oboba oti region mu no ba kokora ni ho obae in 2024 sada e records ne kire. In 2025, you are supposed to about 20 medical doctors. Omo ya supposed to amuno. To see how many okasai. Emubeye enum ena report. You best say, nanom any opinion leaders. Yes, you have famu die bia yebeye. Ni yetumi ama doctor for any nurse for any aka. Ewe ye manim. Ewe region ewe nkoso. Yes, you mo ehomodin bi. So you be attracting more health professionals into the region. Yakoba bia nanoma giatum, this is for na giatum, MPs giatum, so medical doctor bia e be bad region mu no, o mama no free accommodation. Nsem bi say nom ene ye hwehwe. Aban ene ankrankra ka bomu a ene oman etumpon. Aban ko a entumi nye ni nyina. Nananom Yewra John Mahama asa Ghana fo nyina abo se so bayo mampanyi a region bia regional hospital enimu no ye besi regional hospital ewo ho o se ade ye John Mahama o ka o ye John Mahama afi ye budget nimu ye se ye si regional hospital miensa a oti eka ho Enti enchekra makache na nanom mababa hwe asase no yenya asase ne ho nkrata ye pemanso ye wi asase ne ho nkrata enne o kiranko a ye behye dwumadie no ase nana Paramount Chief Asukoko okasa no odi nsem bi bebre egu yanim ba ko ne se Asukoko Health Center ne empejam nana waka amate Menewu MP yebeka ya adwen abɔ ho de eye bɛboa bia no yebɛyɛ nana mo medamase nyame nhyia mo nyina.
Bonsama Health Minister, Honorable Oh, Memunyade. Oba hema no. Onkoso hema.
The Honorable Minister for Health, Honorable Minta Akando, Deputy Chief of Staff Nana Oye Obampo Ado, Honorable Regional Minister for Oti Region, Honorable John Japo, of the Ghana Medical Trust Fund, Madam Ovovia Dakun, health workers, government and other officials, ladies and gentlemen. Good afternoon to you all. At times, we receive the mail. At the time we received the mail, the Lordina Foundation was planning to expand health infrastructure in underserved communities, particularly in the newly created regions. A recent report found that nearly 1 in 10 Ghanaian women still face the risk of dying from pregnancy-related causes. The women of Asukoko lived with this reality every day. When I read Nana's message that Sunday evening, I knew it was no coincidence. It was a call to me to act, just as I have been doing in other communities. We immediately deployed our team. Land was identified. Plans were drawn up. And here we are today. By the grace of God and the commitment of many sponsors, ready to commission this life-saving facility. This facility is the 4th modern health facility completed by the Lordina Foundation. The first was in Bole, the second in Nkranza, the third in Bodom, and now in Sukoko. We have also renovated and expanded the Hohoi Adabraka Clinic. Each facility reflects our belief